Welcome to mathematics class, differentiation part 1. Basic differential formula. The differentiation of a constant dk by dx is 0. So differentiation of a constant is 0 always. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x with respect to x. Generally, by default, we are differentiating with respect to x. So differentiation of x with respect to x1. Differentiation of kx is k, where k is constant. Differentiation of x power n with respect to n, n into x power n minus 1. Differentiation of log and exponential functions. Differentiation of e power x is e power x. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Differentiation of a power x is a power x log a. Differentiation of x power x is x power x into 1 plus log x. Differentiation of log x base a is 1 by x into 1 by log a. Differentiation of trigonometric functions. Sin x differentiation cos x differentiation minus sin x. Tan x differentiation sec square x, cot x differentiation minus cosec square x. Sec x differentiation sec x tan x, cosec x differentiation minus cosec x cot x. Differentiation of inverse trigonometry functions. Sin inverse x differentiation 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Cos inverse x minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square. Cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Sec inverse x 1 by mod x into root x square minus 1. Cosec inverse x minus 1 by x root x square minus 1. The product rule, differentiation of product of two functions f of x, g of x is differentiation of first function and into second function plus first function differentiation of second function. F dash x gx plus fx g dash x. Here dash is differentiation. So f dash g plus fg dash. Quotient rule, differentiation of fx by gx, where f and g are two functions. F dash g minus fg dash by g square. Chain rule, differentiation of f of g of x, f dash g of x, and again differentiation of g of x. First derivative rule, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. First principle, differentiation derivative first principle. So these are the basic concepts and formulae in differentiation. Now let us solve some problems from the exercise. find the derivatives of the functions. The first one, 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. One minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. So first let us simplify. So 1 minus cos 2x is 2 sin square x by using trigonometry formulae, and 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x. Since 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x, 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. Now, cancelling 2, that is equal to sin square by cos square is equal to tan square x. After simplifying, the function has become tan square x. సూక్ష్మీకరించిన తర్వాత ఈ ప్రమేయ విలువ tan square x అయింది. Now, differentiating with respect to x, differentiation of y is dy by dx. సో ఇది x square గా దీన్ని భావిస్తే, square is there, tan square, first x square differentiation is 2x. So tan square differentiation is 2 tan x. Again, differentiation of tan x. Again, differentiation of tan x. I am writing differentiation by using this dash, or you can write dy by dx instead of dash. D by dx of tan x. 2 tan x. Tan x differentiation is x square x. Tan x differentiation is sec square x. So 2 tan x sec square x. Next question. Differentiation of sin mx cos nx. Sin mx cos nx. So differentiating with respect to x, y differentiation dy by dx. So it is the product of two functions, that is fg differentiation f dash g plus f into g dash. So using this differentiation of first function, I am using differentiation as dash. So this is dash indicates dy by dx, and g second function as it is. Only first we differentiate first function and second function plus first function as it is and differentiation of second function. In first term we differentiate first function plus in second term we differentiate second function. So this is the product rule. Differentiation of sin mx. So differentiation of sin x is cos x and sin mx is cos mx. But here mx is there instead of x. So again we have to differentiate mx. So differentiation of mx and cos nx as it is. So sin mx differentiation cos mx and differentiation of mx and cos nx as it is plus sin mx as it is. Now differentiation of cos nx. So differentiation of cos x is minus sin x and differentiation of cos nx is minus sin nx. Again nx differentiation. If x is there, we need not differentiate. Again, in place of x, if anything is there, we have to differentiate it again. The chain rule here. Cos mx. Mx differentiation is m, as x differentiation is 1. 2x differentiation 2, 3x differentiation 3, mx differentiation is m and cos nx as it is, sin mx and minus sin nx. Nx differentiation is n. So this minus sign comes in between. Now the required derivative, you can write m here and n also here. So m into cos mx into cos nx minus n into sin mx into sin nx. Now let us take one more question. Y is equal to log of tan phi x. Log of tan 5x so differentiating with respect to x, so this is dy by dx. So log, you think it as log x function. Log x differentiation is 1 by x. Here in place of x, tan 5x is there. Again, differentiation of tan 5x. So 1 by tan 5x. Again, this is tan function. Tan x differentiation is sec square x. And tan 5x differentiation is sec square 5x. Again, 5x differentiation. In place of x, 5x is there. So this is sec square 5x. 5x differentiation is 5 by tan 5x. So this can be, you can leave it as it is, or this is 5 sec square 5x. This is sin tan 5x is sin 5x by cos 5x, and cos can be written as sec 1 by cos is equal to sin 5x, and this 1 by cos can be written as sec 5x. So cancelling square and sec, we get 5 sec 5x by sin 5x. So this sec can be written, sec is equal to 1 by cos. So sec can be written as 1 by cos 5x, and multiplying and dividing by 2, this can be further simplified. 5 into 2, 10. 2 sin 5x cos 5x. There is a formula. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. By using this formula, this can be further simplified. 10 by sin 10x. 10 by sin 10x. So this is the derivative. Now let us go for another problem where the function is e power x plus sin x cos x. E power x plus sin x cos x. So differentiating with respect to x, y differentiation dy by dx. E power x differentiation is e power x, and this can be considered as fg f dash g plus fd fg dash, product rule. So sin x differentiation into cos x plus sin x into cos x differentiation. Dash indicates differentiation. So sin x differentiation is cos x, and cos x as it is. So this is sin x as it is, and cos x differentiation is minus sin x. And this minus sign comes in between. So e power x cos x cos square x minus sin x into sin x sin square x. So this is cos square minus sin square is cos 2x, trigonometry formula. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So this becomes dy by dx e power x plus cos 2x. So let us take up one more problem. Cot nx. So y is equal to cot nx. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx. So we have x power n differentiation is n into x power n minus 1. This is the first basic formula in differentiation. By using this is in the form of x power n. So n into the function cot x power n minus 1. Again, in place of x, cot x is there. Again, cot x differentiation. N into cot x to the power n minus 1. And cot x differentiation is minus cosec square x. So minus you can write beginning. So this is minus n into cot x power n minus 1 into cosec square x. So this is dy by dx. Now let us practice another problem. So y is equal to tan of e power x. So differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx. So tan x differentiation is x square x Again, differentiation of e power x. Sec square e power x. E power x differentiation is e power x. So this is, in this way you can find the derivatives of simple functions. Now find the derivative of derivatives of the following functions from the first principle. From the first principle, first one sin x, second one sin 2x, third one cos ax, fourth one tan 2x. This is also very important. Finding the derivative by using first principle. Now let the first bit, let the function be f of x, or you can use y also. The given function is sin x. And now let us find f of x plus h minus f of x value. So in place of x, write x plus h. So sin x plus h minus sin x. F of x is sin x. F of x plus h is sin of x plus h. And we know sin c minus sin d from trigonometry. This is 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. From trigonometry, we have this formula. Using this formula, here this can be written two cos c plus d x plus h plus x. This is c, this is d by 2, and sin c minus d. C is x plus h and d is x by 2. X minus x will get cancelled. This is 2 cos x plus x, 2x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2. So this is f of x plus h minus f of x. Now, the first principle of derivative is f of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So this is the first principle of derivative. So substituting in this, here the differentiation of the given function is f dash x. Dash indicates differentiation. So f dash x means derivative of fx. The limit h tends to 0. So this numerator value already is there, 2 cos 2x plus h by 2. So 2 cos 2x plus h by 2 into sin h by 2 by h. So in numerators, cos and sin two functions are there, separating the limit. So 2 cos 2x plus h by 2. This is 1, and the limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 by h. I am writing the limit for both the functions, separating the limit. So in first bracket, substituting the h value 0 in place of h. So this is 2 into cos 2x plus 0 by 2. Simply substituting the limit, and limit sin h by 2 by h, this is 1 by 2. This value is 1 by 2. This is the limit formula. We have this formula in limits. Sin x by x is 1. Sin ax by x is a. So here 1 by 2 h by h, that value is 1 by 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. This will be cos 2x by 2. Again 2 will get cancelled. That is cos x. So we know the differentiation of sin x is cos x. So here the differentiation of sin x is cos x. So this is finding the derivative by using first principle. Now in second bit, there is second bit. Find the derivative of sin 2x. Sin 2x. So let the function f of x be sin 2x. ఇచ్చిన ఫంక్షన్ fx అనుకోవాలి. Now f of x plus h minus f of x వాల్యూ కనుక్కుందాం సింప్లిఫై. f of x plus h అంటే in place of x write x plus h. 2x x place లో x plus h వస్తుంది. f of x అంటే ఫంక్షన్, given function, that is 2x. Again by using the same formula, sin c minus sin d, 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Using this formula, here c value 2x to h, d value 2x. So 2 cos c plus d, c is 2 into x, 2 into h. So 2x plus 2h, this is c, and d is 2x by 2. c plus d by 2 into sin c minus d by 2. 2x plus 2h, c minus d value is 2x by 2. 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. Two x and 2x will get cancelled. This becomes 2x plus 2x, 4x, 2h by 2, sin 2h by 2. So 2 will get cancelled, only sin h. So this is f of x plus h and f of minus f of x value. Now the derivative of fx is limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. So this is the first principle of differentiation. F dash x limit h tends to 0. So this value is 2 cos 4x plus 2h by 2 into sin h by h. Separating the limit for both, 2 cos 4x plus 2h by 2. So this is one limit, and limit h tends to 0, sin h, this by denominator h I am writing for this h I am writing for second limit. In first one, simple substitution, h value 2 cos 4x, 2 into 0 is 0 by 2 So this is sin h by h, limit h tends to 0, sin h by h, this value is 1. So this is the formula, limit formula. And cancelling this 2 and 4. Now this is 2 cos 2x. That is, so therefore, differentiation of sin 2x, differentiation of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x. Now let us take up one more, third bit. Cos ax. Find the derivative of cos ax by using first principle. So let the function f of x is equal to cos ax now. Let us find f of x plus h minus f of x value. Cos a into x plus h minus cos ax. From trigonometry, cos c minus cos d minus 2 sin c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Using this formula, so this can be simplified. 2 sin c plus d. C is ax plus ah and d value ax by 2 and c value ax ah, d is ax by 2. Plus ax minus ax will get cancelled. So this can be minus 2 ax and ax, 2 ax by 2 sin a h by 2. So this is f of x plus h minus f of x value. Now derivative of first principle. F dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x by h. F dash x limit h tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x value minus 2 sin 2 ax plus ah by 2 and sin ah by 2 by h. separating the limit h tends to 0 minus 2 sine 2ax plus ah by 2. So this is first term, and separating limit h tends to 0 for sine ah by 2 by h. I am writing this denominator h for sine, second limit, and substituting the limit value for first bracket 2 sine 2ax, a h value 0, a into 0, this becomes 0 by 2, and this 2 will get cancelled. For this, sin h by h is 1, sin a by 2 h by h is a by 2. For this value is a by 2. So now f dash x minus 2 sine ax into a by 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. Therefore, minus sine ax into a, and this you can write this a here, a into sine ax. So cos ax differentiation derivative of cos ax is minus a into sine ax. So this is the derivative by first principle. Almost all are the same method. Next, let us practice one more, tan 2x. Find the derivative of tan 2x by using first principle. Very, very important. Let the given function as f of x. F of x is equal to tan 2x. Now, let us find the value of f of x plus h minus f of x. Tan 2 into x plus h minus tan 2x. So tan is sine by cos. Now you can write it sine by cos sine 2x by cos 2x, and taking the LCM, cos 2x is cross multiplying 2x plus 2h into cos 2x cos 2x plus 2h into sin 2x. So in numerator, it is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. We know. The numerator is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is nothing but sin A minus B formula. So using this, numerator, you can write sin A value 2x plus 2h minus B value is 2x denominator same, no change. So in numerator 2x minus 2x will get cancelled. So this can be written as sin 2h numerator sin 2h and denominator cos 2x and cos 2x. This is f of x plus h minus f of x. By using first principle of differentiation, f dash x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So here sin 2h sin 2h by cos 2x 2h into cos 2x by h. So h can be written as 1 by h. Separating the limits, sin 2h by h as first limit and limit h tends to 0 by cos 2x to h cos 2x. The first one, sin h by h1, sin 2h by h is 2. So for this, value is 2. and substituting h value in this, cos 2x plus 0 into cos 2x. Cos 2x into cos 2x, this is 2 by cos square 2x, and cos square 2x can be written as 1 by cos square is x square. So this is the derivative of tan 2x. So tan 2x derivative by using first principle is 2 sec square 2x. 2 sec square 2x. So this is very, very important, finding the derivative by using first principle. You can solve the other problems from the textbook and solve problems from the textbook by using first principle. Practice some more problems. So thank you. Thank you for watching this.